Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek, and boy am I excited about this haul, y'all, because y'all know I'm about to hit my classroom cash bonus. Now, as far as my midweek, I need I think it's 10 for $1. But look, I ain't even focusing on that. What I'm focusing on is the 7 that I need for my classroom for the $50. So I'm excited about that. This should be pretty easy. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button and support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you know somebody else. So live it. All right, so with the Rockstar. Now, I have tried to reach out to them for like the last week, okay? Week and a half, maybe even so. They haven't got back to me at all. I don't know if that's their way of tapping out, but they haven't got back to me. So you will not be seeing any more Rockstar unless they get back to me. With Checkout 51, I did notice some OTC offers on there. I know Amy was saying that she's noticed them for a while. I just barely noticed them. But she was saying that a lot of people haven't gotten them to work yet. But I did notice this Sunday that the offers did pop up on Checkout 51. So the new offers did start this past Sunday. I did have more offers pop up for me on ShopMe, which I was surprised to see considering. But the receipt that I did for the Poise on the 22nd just barely cleared like today, and I had totally forgot about it. With the sister apps, I noticed that I cashed out for PayPal for, I think it was MyPoints, Swagbucks, and Inbox, and when it hit my PayPal, it said Tango instead of Swagbucks, MyPoints, or Inbox. I don't know if they're switching to a new company or whatever, but just a heads up on that. The Melinda's hot sauce, the $1 offer on aisles, that did work for me. I did get back the $1 for that, so it made that little travel size one absolutely free. Hope you guys were able to get out and get the Dove deal. And it's funny because I wasn't even gonna post that video because y'all know how Shopkick is, and it's to go through the time and effort of posting a video and then no sooner than it's live, you know, the deal is dead and you feel like, okay, well, what was the point of it? So I wasn't gonna even post a video, but I was just like, okay, if it helps some people, I would be happy with that. And so a lot of you guys were able to get the deal yesterday, and a lot of you guys were actually able to get it this morning too, which is really good. Now I was going to wait till this morning, but I was just like, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. But listen, so the offer, when it got approved, they only got 6,900 kicks. So I put a ticket in. The other receipt with the Saddlewood deodorants, that one was perfect. But the larger one, I only got back $5.75 for each of the products. So I put a ticket in, and I think it was Sergio that got back to me late last night. Or probably early this morning actually, and just wanted a list of the stuff that I bought and what I was expecting back. And I told him, and I got the kicks. The kicks were there when I got it this morning. All right. And the thing about it, you guys, if you guys saw my community post, he didn't give me the difference from what I should have gotten and the 69 that I actually got. He gave me the whole 27,750 again. So it made that, well, in the video I said it was a $20 moneymaker, but it was actually a $28 moneymaker. And so it made that a $56 moneymaker, y'all, for 14 products. So I'm going to include that in this video as well. I want to give a shout out to Amy for hitting me up and telling me to check FlavorWiki, because I had surveys over there, you guys. I did one that unlocked 9 drink surveys for Gatorade, Body Armor, and Powerade. I have 9 of them. And the Gatorades we'll be doing for Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. And then for the Body Armor, I have $1 off 2 coupons, which is going to make that a really great deal as well. And so if you're not using FlavorWiki as a website, go ahead and just sign up and go and see if you have surveys. If I remember, I'll add a link and see if the surveys are still valid. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome stuff we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So let's give a shout out to Amy. She hit me up and was telling me about there being offers or surveys on FlavorWiki, which I know we haven't heard of that in a minute. But I did a survey, and it was for sports drinks, and it got approved. So I have 9 different ones I'm going to grab. We've got Powerade, Gatorade, and Body Armor. I have 9 I'm gonna grab. So I'm gonna split the transaction into 2 just so that I can submit the Gatorade for Ibotta and Walmart rewards. So let me show you what we're going to grab. So the first set that we're going to get is on Powerade. We have to get fruit punch, mountain berry blast, and grape. All right, these are priced at $1 on rollback, okay? So we're going to pay $1. We're going to get back $2 for each of them, making them all free plus $3. All right, you can do this on one transaction or you can do them separately. I usually would just grab them all in one transaction. And so that's the first set. So we need fruit punch. We need cool blue. And we need lemon. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab, I'm going to grab 4. You don't need to grab 4. You can just grab 1 of each. But since we have $1 back when you buy 2 on both Ibotta as well as Walmart rewards, I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4. So we're going to grab 2 of the fruit punch. One's priced at $1.48. We'll pay $2.96, but we'll get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. And we'll get back $2 on FlavorWiki for 1 of them. Now, I do have an offer on Swagbucks for $1 when you buy 2 as well. So if that works out, it'll make those both free plus $1.04 money maker. Okay, and then with the lime and the blue one at $1.54, for 2 of them, we'll pay $3.08 and get back $4 on FlavorWiki, $1 on either Ibotta or Walmart rewards, and then $1 on maybe My Points. So that set will be free plus $2.92. So in essence, all 4 will be free plus like a $4 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Okay, so I've been looking for the 3 that I need for the body armor. Ignore this price. This is probably for the what is it called? Rockstars. But anyways, listen. So on the body armor, you need the strawberry banana one, the fruit punch, and then you need the orange mango one. All right, they're priced at $1 as well. I believe it's a rollback price. And you're gonna get back $2 on FlavorWiki, making them all $1 moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab the 2 that I see here, and I'll probably check a different store and see if I can find the 3rd one there. Oh shoot, I forgot I had these. I'm digging in my little coupon pocket in my purse, and I found these. So grab 2 of them for 2. These $1 I'll pay $1 and get back 4, so it'll be $3 moneymaker. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But the second transaction, where I'm only gonna get $2 for 1 of them, I'll pay 1, and I'll get back 2. So it'll be $1 moneymaker. And you've seen it several times. I only have 1 more coupon for these, so I'm just gonna grab 1 of them at $1.98. I'll pay $1.24 with the coupon, get back $1 on Ibotta, making this only 24 cents. Okay, so I finally found these. We're gonna be definitely hella hydrated, right, after this video. So I finally found the St. James teas. They are priced at $2.48. We're gonna pay $4.96. We'll get back 2 on Ibotta, and then we'll get back $2.48 on Aisles. I'll try to remember to have a link for you in the description. Making it 48 cents for 2 of them, or only 24 cents each. Okay, so this deal here is a FlavorWiki deal, and it's on the Hillshire farm. Well, it's a combo. So I gotta grab like 2 different ones. And I forget which ones I gotta grab. I gotta grab the Sargento balance brakes. The Sargento is over here. Let's see if they even have the one that I need, because I was looking online. Oh, they do have it. It's this one right here, the Sargento balance brakes. So we're gonna grab this, price at $3.52. And it's the last one. See, the universe just be looking out for you, girl. And then this one right here is $3.13. So I gotta grab both of these. $3.13, $3.52. Offer is a combo offer, so you'll have to buy both of them. I have 2 different offers like this. The other one, I have to grab this one and the lunch. It's Oscar Mayer one with salami. I'm gonna see if they have it, but online it said that they don't have it at all in this area. So the 2 of these items is gonna cost me $6.65. The offer on FlavorWiki is getting back, is it $16? Yeah, it's getting back $16 for doing that survey. And so it'll be a $9.35 moneymaker, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna go see if they have the combo that has this one and the other one, which is kind of weird that it's 2 different combo offers and they both include this.
And so I wonder if you'd have to buy 2, or could you just buy this, and the other one, and it would count this as twice? I wonder. In the comments, what do you guys think? Can you just buy 1? I feel like you can. I kind of look, you want to try it. We'll see.
Okay, so the one I'm talking about is this one right here. Is the Oscar Mayer Bites, the meaty cheesy. It's not that one. They only have one kind, but I need this one right here. It's the one that has the salami in it. Okay, that's the one I need. And so that's the other one. And then this is the other offer. But they both include like the same, like this one. So hopefully if I can find this one somewhere, maybe I'll check Target and see if they have it. And so yeah, it's on the All Sensitive Fresh. It has a little flower on it, Spring Breeze. You got the liquid price at $5.22. Keep your eyes peeled for pillies, you know, because I see y'all been getting pillies and I ain't been finding none. I've been looking. Believe me, I've been looking. So keep your eyes peeled for pillies. So you're going to grab one at $5.22. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 200 kicks on Shopkick, which is 80 cents. Bringing that down to $2.42. Of course, if you could find the pilly, it'd make it only 42 cents. And then the pods are priced at, those are $4.97. Again, getting back $2 on Ibotta. And then you'll also get back 200 kicks on Shopkick, which is 80 cents. It makes that $2.17. And again, with the peely, we'll make that only 17 cents. So I'm going to hold off on this deal and hope I can find some pillies. And next up, we have the Snuggle in wash scent boosters priced at $5.97. I'm going to be using this $2 coupon that I found here at the Walmart. I'll end up paying $3.97 out of pocket, but I'll get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 75 cents on Swagbucks. And then I have an offer on Fetch Reward. It's a threshold one, and I only need to spend like another $1. So I'll get back $1 there, bringing this down to only 22 cents. Okay. All right. So I was happy to see the Dickinson's toner reset on Ibotta. And so last time I came to this store, they didn't have any. But they do have pillies, all right? So keep your eyes peeled for pillies. I grabbed a couple of them right here. They scan perfectly fine on these. So I'm going to grab 2 of them, priced at $4.94. That total is going to be $9.88. We'll use 2 of these peelies here. All right, we'll pay $5.88, and we'll get back $4.94 on Ibotta. So it'd bring it down to 94 cents. For both of them are only 47 cents each. All right, guys. I think this is the last deal I'm going to get today. So if you made it to the last deal, hooray for you. I want to see a bet. Give me a bet in the comments if you make it to the last deal. So I'm going to grab this again. And this offer on aisles, it seems like it's like resetting. And so we're going to grab 2 of these. They're priced at $8.98. We'll end up paying $17.96. We'll get back $4.50 for each on Ibotta. And then we'll get back $8.98 through aisles, making them both free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Here's my complete haul for today. I didn't go over the Dove because the deal was dead. All right, I posted a video yesterday evening, and I was, like I said, I was happy that a lot of you guys were able to do it this morning still. And so we're not going to go over those deals. The breakdowns will be in the Google Doc. If you watched the video yesterday, you already know how it did. And so as far as this haul, was really excited to get a lot of the drinks. I have, gosh, I've only done like 4 of the surveys so far. I still have another 6 to do. And so yeah, that's how that is. I'll pop up screenshots of the receipts because I only have a few. Actually, I guess I can show them to you real quick. That was the Dove from yesterday. And that was the other Dove from yesterday. And this is the one for today. Oh, the laundry, that was the all. I did the all pods, but I gotta take them back because the all, it didn't work for Shopkick, and I was just like, I'm not paying $3 for that. So those have to go back tomorrow. And then this is the one on the Gatorade fruit punch. I did it separate because I wanted to submit that receipt for my points. And then this is the larger receipt with all the drinks and stuff. All right. And so there's my receipts. My sales tax for this was $10.29 because of the CRV. That's why it was kind of hot. Well, the CRV was only like $1. But listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick because Josiah is on the computer right here playing his game. What game are you playing, Bug?
Geometry Dash.
Geometry Dash, which is one of his favorite games right now, right, Bug?
Yes.
All right, so listen.
I played a lot.
We're gonna make this quick. Everything worked out today. All the coupons that I used, they all scanned. And so The retail for everything that you see here was $150.30. I had $16 in coupons. They brought my out of pocket down to $134.30. Again, my sales tax was $10.29. And then winner chicken dinner was Shopkick. I think this is probably the most I've gotten on one trip from Shopkick, which was $138.48. So ended up making that a humongous money maker. Ibotta was $67.97. FlavorWiki is $34. Isles was $11.46. Swagbucks $175. Fetch Reward $148, and my points is 106. For the Fetch Reward, I had a 45-cent offer for the Sargento. All right, so we get back a total of $256.20 in rebates. Making everything you see here, y'all. Listen, come close, come a little bit closer. This is $121.90 money maker, you guys. What? How did we make that much money on this haul, y'all? It's not even a lot. Look, it's just a little itty bit. It's not even a lot. Yeah, we want to thank Dove. Thank you, Dove, for making this possible. Shopkick for making this possible, because I wouldn't have known. I wouldn't have known. And then, of course, Ibotta for hitting our bonus. And so, other than that, guys, if you make it to the end of the video, what was our emoji again, Bud? A cube. Yeah. A cube. So if you can find a cube, or a square, or a box, because he's playing Geometry Dash, then we would love to see it in the comments. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate you guys watching, right, Bug? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite deal this week. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.